Exercise question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The blank alignment aligns a block of text to both margins. Both margins means the left margin and the right margin of, yes, हाँ, मैंने इसलिए बोला पेंसिल लेके बैठो, of the page by adding some extra spaces between the words. It will be what the alignment do? It will be arrange the text on the both margin with the extra space between the words. What is the answer? Answer is justify. Write down the answer. Justify in the textbook. justify. जस्टिफाई अलाइनमेंट का स्पेलिंग वैसे भी आता ही होगा ना आपको. म्यूट योरसेल्फ. And don't be write display your name with the other one. Just simply write down the name. You are reading some of the emojis. That is not a good thing. B. By default, text is aligned to the blank margins. By default, text is aligned to a blank margin. By default कौन सी साइड पे होगा? Left. Write down the answer of B. Left. C. The blank option. I will be not take the name and told you mute yourself. You have to be compulsory mute yourself. The blank option cancels the last actions performed. The blank option cancel the last action perform. जो lastly perform किया होगा उसको cancel करने के लिए use होता है. Which option is used for it? Undo. Yes. D. Blank refers to the distance of the text or a paragraph from either the right or the left margin. Undo. Justify. जब हम सॉल्व कर रहे थे ध्यान कहाँ था? जब बीच में जब हम डी सॉल्व कर रहे तब आप ए का आंसर पूछ रहे हो, सी का आंसर पूछ रहे हो. Blank refers to the distance of text or paragraph from either the right or the left margin. Text का distance बताने के लिए use होता है. That is indentation. Answer is indentation. फिर भी आपको समझ में. Question number 2. Write down the shortcut for the following actions. Write down the shortcut for the following actions. First, A. Undo. Undo के लिए कौन सी shortcut की use होती है? Yes, it's a Control plus Z. Write down. Write down the shortcut key. B. For redo, Control plus Y. Yes. Write down the answer and mute yourself. बेटा आपका नेटवर्क इश्यू होगा. मैं फोटो भेज दूंगी, अगर आपको नहीं दिख रहा, आई विल बी शेयर द इमेज ऑफ दिस. I will also share the video of this on the Google Classroom. So don't worry. Good. Try to solve the question number 3. Who can see my screen clearly? They don't have to tell me that. Question number 3. Identify the alignment of different lines of text for the following story. Remember student, this type of question for a 1 mark in the MCQ may be asked कि ये कौन सा alignment है. Firstly, you have to be remember there are the 4 types of alignment: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and the justify alignment. So everything you have to be remembered, and in the exam if it will be asked to you, you have to be identify the alignments. Okay, so now we are going to write alignment लिखना है. नहीं, आपको यहाँ पे क्लियर दिख रहा ही है कौन सा अलाइनमेंट है. No, this chapter will be not asked in the exam, so don't worry for that. You can see that this is the heading, the sun and the wind. Then there is a one sentence is also written. From this word we can identify this is the center alignment, जो center में ही है. This is a whole of one line, but its a last word is in the center, so this is the center alignment. Write down. हाँ, आपको ये टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखना है. Okay, now second sentence is the this one. You can see that it's a totally on the right side. This is the left side, that is the right side. You can see that it will be arranged from the right side, not from the left side. So this is a right alignment. So you have to be right like this. Right alignment. Dakshu, if you have a query, you can ask me after, whenever we solve the whole the exercise. Then I will be solve your query. Don't worry. Okay, next. This one sentence. We are doing for a paragraph. You can see that it's arranged from left side, not from the right side. So by default, this is the left alignment. First center, then right, then left. Then the fourth line. This one. These two lines. For this two line, you can see that it will be arranged from right side, not from a left side. So this is the right alignment. Now, there is only one sentence is also there, that is from the left side. So by default, you have to be write down the left alignment. Daksh, as I told you, if you have a query, I will be solved after the completion of exercise solving. Why are you continuously messaging? Now for this one, you can see that on the both sides it's arranged properly, but between the two words there are the spaces given. So this is the justify alignment. This is the justify alignment. Complete this alignment portion. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. Differentiate between the bullet list and the number list. Differentiate between the bullet list and the number list. Remember student, for a now you have to just listen to me. अभी आपको सिर्फ मुझे सुनना है. After the completion of class, I will be share the answer key in a WhatsApp group for the question number 4. That you have to be complete in your notebook. Only question number 4 you have to be write in your notebook. No need to write down the question number 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. That you have to complete in your textbook only. Okay. Differentiate between the bullet list and the number list. What is the bullet list? It's a unordered list. In the bullet list, the sequence is not necessary, while in the number list, sequence is matter. It will be arranged in the order list. B. What do you mean by the alignment of text? How many types of alignment are available in the writer? What is the meaning of alignment of text? It means it will be arrange the text from the margins either a left or a right. There are the 4 types of alignment: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment and the justify alignment. C. Sudha typed a essay on. Yes, you have to be write down the direct answer. No need to write down the questions. Sudha typed an essay on a topic our environment. While reading the document, she found that she had typed a word wonderful instead of a beautiful in the entire essay. How will she replace the word wonderful with the beautiful throughout the document? पहले तो उसने बाय डिफॉल्ट मिस्टेक से लिख लिया वंडरफुल, उसको लिखना था ब्यूटीफुल. तो अभी उसको क्या करना चाहिए? सी हैव टू बी यूज द फाइंड एंड रिप्लेस, and you have to be write down the steps for it. What should she have to be do? But there is a symbol of find and replace. You have to be click on that, write down the word wonderful in the find what, and in the replace with write down the word beautiful, and click on replace all. In the entire document the word will be replaced. D. Varun is working on the document in OpenOffice for Writer. He needs to perform the following task in the Writer. Help him by suggesting the correct options. Increase the space between the lines in various paragraphs. Increase the space between the lines in a various paragraph. For this, he have to be use the indentions. For this, he have to be use the intention. Align the paragraph properly. For the alignment, he have to be use the text alignment. Now, student who have a computer or the laptop, they have to be do the lab activity. Students who have a computer or laptop, they have to be perform the lab activity. Again, I am repeating, no need to write down question number 1, 2 and 3 in the notebook. You have to write down them only in the textbook. Only question number 4 you have to be write down in the notebook after the assignment that I send on Saturday. पहले आपको वो असाइनमेंट अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है, उसके बाद ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 लिखना है. ओके, नाउ हाँ